So this is how to transfer a TFSA or a tax-free savings account from the Royal Bank or RBC over to Wealthsimple. Once you guys open up Wealthsimple at the bottom, select on the transfer money icon or the third icon. Then just scroll down a little bit to accounts and then press transfer account to Wealthsimple and then press get started. Under most popular, the third option down for me is the Royal Bank of Canada or RBC. Just select it. Then select where the investment is located. So for this demonstration, I will do direct investing, but obviously select whatever option is applicable to you. Then press next at the bottom. You can sign into RBC through the app if you want, or you can go to the bottom and press enter information manually. I will do that for this demonstration. Under most popular, TFSA, select that, then press next. Then once you're here, you can go ahead and fill in the required information. And once that is done, you should be able to successfully transfer a TFSA from RBC over to Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.